Let us explore all the possibilities. We want to explore an island where the cookies grow on trees. C is for cookie, that's good enough for me. Yeah, oh yeah. C is for cookie, that's good enough for me. Yum, 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 yum. C is for cookie, that's good enough for me. Oh, cookie, 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 cookie start with C.
What's your sense of adventure, Cookie? Don't you ever want to try anything new?
Oh yeah, new cookies.
Maybe soon we'll see that climbing rock. Here's a new tree, and the toucans rock. We'll open up that trunk and see what's inside. We're gonna take a chance. We need to do a dance like the mambo. Ay, 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 vamos. Come along with us. There's so many things to do. When it comes to where we play, we got a big surprise or two. Open up to a whole new world. Adventures that you'll find. Look at each and every day in a brand new way. Have an adventure, so much adventure. Feel an adventure now.
Yeah. Love adventure.
Wait a minute. Hold it, you two. Cookies and mambo? Yuck. You call that adventure? Oh, you haven't had an adventure till you've ridden a 10-ton trash truck filled with glorious, smelly trash. Now that's an adventure. Oh, I love trash. Anything dirty or dingy or dusty. Anything ragged or rotten or rusty. Oh, I love trash. I found a whole new kind of trash here. It's island trash. Makes my grouchy heart sing. Oh, I love trash. Anything sandy and covered with seaweed. Anything soggy is just nothing we need. Oh, I love trash. The seaside adventure I'd like to announce. A wave rushes in and I pull the trash out. Just look at this beach ball. It's lost all its bounce. I love it. It's island trash.
Oscar, Abby and Elmo have to go. Yeah, we gotta find...
Hold on, you two. Here comes the best part. Everybody grab some trash and sing along. You know the words. Oh, I love trash. Anything dirty or dingy or dusty. Anything ragged or rotten or rusty. Oh, I love trash. Yeah, yeah.
We're out.
You guys are a pretty trashy crowd.
Maybe it's a singing one.
Let's go find out.
Yeah. La 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 la.
Maybe you have to sing to it in Spanish. La 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 la.
There are way too many palm trees on this island. How do we find the singing one? There it is.
The singing palm tree.
Excuse me, ma'am, tree.
Yes. Oh, well, hello. What can I do for you? The toucan trunk said that you could give us a clue for how to open him. So I can. If you do some la 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 with me. La la la. And there better be lots of la-las, or I might change my mind. Oh, la 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 la
We know this.
la 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 la.
Everybody, we need your help.
La la with us, come on. La 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 la.
Sing. that so hard.
No.
Thank you.
Thank you, Trickster. Oh, you are excellent, la-la-las. So, as promised, my clue for opening the talking trunk, la-la-la-la-la-la, is on my own tree trunk.
Look, Rosita, the clue.
Can you say? Let's spell it out. N-O. That spells no.
No? What does it mean? No.
I have no idea. Let's go find the others. Maybe their clues will be a clue to our clue.
Yeah, good thinking, Rosita. But we better go quick before me stomach get clue to eat this clue.
With a bit of contender. Squawk! Aha! A squawking toucan! How fortuitous! Greetings, Squawker! I understand that you possess a clue for opening the talking trunk. Yeah, sure. I got that clue. Squawk! Oh, great! Oh, could you then share the clue with me? To get the clue, you gotta squawk. Like a toucan? Squawk. Just like you. Squawk. Maybe you can. Squawk. And don't forget to clap your wings. Come on, clap your wings. Yeah, 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 yeah. Clap your wings. Clap and squawk now, people. Clap your wings. Oh, now come on. Clap your wings. Clap and squawk. Clap your wings. Well, let me tell ya. Toucan, toucan. That's squawk. Now let me hear you squawk. A triumph! Just as I expected, I shall now read the clue. Knock. What do you suppose this could mean, knock? Oh, there are multitudinous possibilities here. You know what? I think I shall go search for my adventure mates.
How I adore words. I love words more than I can say. Short words are long words. Singing a song words. I like words better every day. There's a rock. Come on. There's short words like box and socks. Words in books like Goldilocks. Little words like bell and box. Big words like rhinoceros. Oh, it's not working. How about this one? Words are sweet like ice cream cone. Ringing words like telephone. French words like sugar and cat. Music words like clarinet. Oh, that didn't work either, Abby. Happy words like beans and noodles. Silly words like block and poodle. Jumping jacks and ball and butt. Never met a word I didn't like. Never met a word we didn't like.
Whoa, yo, that tune made me swoon. I love to rock any old time. Now tell me why is it you pay me this visit?
Well, Bobby and I want to open this talking trunk. And he said you had a clue.
Well, it's true, I do. But to get it, you see, you gotta listen real good and rhyme with me.
Oh, we all love to rhyme. Right? Yeah! Come on, everybody. Rhyme along. Just repeat whatever we say. Okay?
Now it's time to rhyme, cause that's where it's at. For the word, let's rhyme with cat.
Elmo knows. Everybody say hat.
Whoa, that was fast. Hey, I'm a cat. Now, everyone, let's rhyme with past.
Oh, I know. Repeat after me. Blast. Blast.
Hey, I have to say, I think your rhyming is A-okay.
Oh, thanks, Mr. Rhyming Rock. That's because we
Island Rock's gonna give you that clue.
We got it, Elmo! Let's see what it says. Yeah, let's sound it out. Okay. Top, up. Top. How will that help open Mr. Trunk? I don't know.
Oh boy, we got our clue.
Very smart,
It's
man.
the word no. Well, our clue is the word top.
And mine is the word lock.
What? But now what do we do? Oh, maybe saying the words out loud will magically open the trunk.
Yeah.
No. Top.
Lock. Oh, that not work.
Hey guys, don't give up. I have a great idea. Listen to me. Mix it up. What does she mean? Mix it up.
That's Spanish again.
Mix it up.
I will give it a try.
Words keep spinning round and round. Listen, I think I know just what to do. Each one of us has found a clue, but the thing we need is one another. Try every word next to every other. Oh, I get it now.
Which way first?
Try this word here and that word there. Move them around and let's compare. Our every word's a different story. We'll get it right now, don't you worry. No top knock or top no knock. Can't make sense of what we got. Now we're lost, but we'll be found. Oh, words keep spinning round and round. Mix it up. Mix it up. Mix it up. Words keep spinning round and round. This still isn't making any sense. And all these rods spinning around is making Elmo.
Put your head between your knees.
Wait a minute. Elmo just saw something. No, upside down spells on. On. Not on top. That's it. We solved the riddle. Elmo, you're a genius. Not on top. What's this? Not on top. We did it. Not on top. I'm missing a button. Words keep spinning, words keep spinning, words keep spinning round and round. Woohoo! Yeah, not on top.
So, are we missing something here?
Maybe our knocking is not loud enough to open the trunk. Well, what should we do? Oh, Elmo has an idea. Hey, everybody, will you all help us open the trunk? Oh, good. Okay, everybody. On the count of 3, knock real hard on your seats. That should be loud enough to get Mr. Trunk to open. 1, 2, 3.
Any place that you want to go. Anything that you want to know. Any way that you want to grow. It's all here. Every book is an open door. Adventure and so much more. And if fun's what you're looking for, it's all here.